Universal Orlando Resort's Butterbeer, quite possibly the most iconic theme park drink in history. Since 2010, Potterheads have been flocking to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter at the Universal Orlando Resort and have been treating themselves to this gold standard of theme park drink. Though the recipe never made public, many have miraculously tried to create this concoction from home. But today, for the first time ever, we show you guys how to make Universal Orlando's official Butterbeer recipe. Alright everyone, so take out your wands, grab your favorite cauldron, because we are about to conjure up some of the greatest stuff in the Wizarding World, as today we cover and show you how to make Universal Orlando's Butterbeer.
What's up guys? Welcome to our first ever video on this channel for Orlando Parks Insider. My name is Tim and I'm joined by Anthony today, who's one of my great friends here. Now today, as Anthony instructed earlier, we're going to be making some butterbeer. Now I'm very excited to see this because I don't actually know the recipe and only Anthony knows the recipe so far. So Anthony, what do you got today? What do you got to show us?
Well, we got a lot of special stuff to show you today, so let's jump right into it.
To create Universal Orlando's Butterbeer, you'll need a few ingredients: butterscotch syrup, caramel syrup, your favorite brand of cream soda, we prefer Dr. Brown's, and either whipped cream or heavy whipping cream, we prefer whipped cream. First, we will show you how to make the soda portion of the butterbeer. You will need the cream soda, the caramel syrup, and the butterscotch syrup. And also, don't forget to grab your favorite mug. First, you will pour your cream soda into your mug. 12 to 16 ounces is ideal for this recipe. Then take your caramel syrup and pour in about a drop or two, not too much. Then pour about 1/4 of a cup of butterscotch syrup into the soda. Once all the ingredients are inside the cream soda, thoroughly mix it until the caramel syrup and the butterscotch syrup dissolve within the soda. Excellent, now that the soda portion of the drink is complete, we can now start making the foam. The foam, pour either 1/3 of a cup of whipped cream or heavy whipping cream into a bowl. Then add about 1/4 of a cup of butterscotch into the whipped cream or heavy whipping cream. And then follow up with a little bit of a drizzle of caramel syrup. Once in the bowl, thoroughly mix to the consistency in which you desire. If you were to use heavy whipping cream, we would suggest to put the mixture into a blender. And don't forget, make sure to give it a test taste before the final product.
Delicious.
Once the foam is completed, put it in the refrigerator for about 2 to 5 minutes to give it a little bit of an extra chill. After waiting for the foam to chill, take it out of your refrigerator and grab a spoon and firmly dab the foam on top of the soda portion of the butterbeer. For even distribution of the foam, we suggest grabbing a straw and mixing the foam on top of the soda until evenly distributed.
Alright guys, so now that we have finished making our butterbeer, we're about to give it the test. So, Tim, grab your glass.
Alright.
Cheers.
Cheers my guy.
And let me know what you think.
There we go. That is good.
I felt like I just got off a forbidden journey
So
and
did
literally
I.
went right to that cart.
Oh my gosh, me too. Oh my gosh.
This is heaven in a drink. This is definitely the greatest theme park drink ever created. It's not even close.
Oh well. Blue milk.
Bruh, 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 bruh.
We'll get to that soon though.
Look at that.
But yes, it's got that butterbeer, everything to it. This is the closest I think it'll ever get to what we sell over at Universal.
Yeah, this is like literally picture to picture what it tastes like, or what it tasted like.
Exactly. It's that cream soda like taste, and then you have that foam at the top that's just notorious for giving you a mustache.
I know, yeah.
I'll give myself one actually.
Oh, that's great. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching our first video here on our channel. Please feel free to subscribe, like, comment, whatever you like to do, follow our socials in the description. And anything else to say, Anthony?
Of course. And if you didn't enjoy today's video, well then...